Let's understand more about data and information. Data is a collection of facts such as numbers, words, measurements, observations, or just descriptions of things. In more technical sense, data are a set of values of qualitative or quantitative variables about one or more persons or objects, while a datum is a single value of single variable. Now let's talk about digital data, a collection of facts that is transmitted and stored in electronic form and processed through software. Data is processed or stored by a computer as an information. This information may be in the form of text documents, images, audio clips, software programs, or other types of data. Computer data may be processed by the computer CPU and is stored in files and folders on the computer's hard disk. Now, data can be qualitative or quantitative, right? Qualitative data is descriptive information. It describes something. And quantitative data is a numerical information or numbers. Quantitative data can be either discrete or continuous, as you see on the screen. Discrete data can only take certain values like whole numbers. Continuous data can take any value within a range. Discrete data is counted, continuous data is measured. In a nutshell. Moving on. What is information? Information is a summarization of data. Technically, data are raw facts and figures that are processed into information, such as summaries and totals, right? But since information can also be the raw data for the next job or person, the two terms cannot be precisely defined, and both are used interchangeably. Now, data is any collection of numbers, characters, or other symbols that can be coded into a format that can be input into a computer and then processed. Data on its own has no meaning or context. It is only after processing by a computer that data takes on a context and becomes an information. Information is the processed data on which decisions and actions are based. For decisions to be meaningful, the processed data should be timely, accurate, and complete. Now let's talk about the data processing lifecycle, right? The data processing lifecycle is a set of operations used to transform data into useful information. The intent of this processing is to create actionable information that can be used to enhance a business. The cycle involves the steps what you see on the screen, but in detail, if I talk about, it starts off with collection of data, then going on with preparation of the data into a format suitable for data entry as well as error checking, then entry of the data into the system, which may involve manual data entry, scanning, machine encoding, and so on and so forth. Processing of the data with computer system comes next, and finally transmitting the resulting information to the user, typically via screen or printer report so that it can be acted upon. But in many cases, after doing all these things, the information is being stored, storing the input data and output information future use. That's pretty much what we will be discussing more about in the series of videos which we called as information systems. That's all I have in this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel Learning Real. Have a nice day.